Jelly fam! And how's it going? Today is another day here at the Hyatt Regency Grand Cypress here in Orlando, and I'm joined by, where you gone? You lost your flip-flop. Hang on, guess who's with me? Who are you?
Miley.
Say hi everyone. Hello. Bit more excited than that, Miley, because we're going. Tell everyone what we're going to do. Where are we going now?
We're going to the lake.
We're going to go on the lake and do what? Paddleboarding?
Yeah.
That sounds like fun.
Yeah!
Yeah, let's go do that. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Paddleboarding on the lake, guys. Let's go do it. Sounds like fun, huh?
We just missed them.
They left with us. Oh, quick, press the button, then we go back down. Quick. Quick. Ding, 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 ding. We get the better one. We get the glass elevator where we go down. Oh, here you go. Where is it? This one. Go, Miles. Go, 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 go. Quick, let's race them. Go, 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 go. Lobby, 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 lobby. Here we go. Performing it. You're now free. Whee. Where are they? That's okay. We'll catch them up now. Let's go. Hey, hey, Jamie Mum. Jamie Mum's gonna go paddleboarding. She is. Oh, she is. She's gonna swim out with the alligators.
No.
And go paddleboarding. Is that not right?
No.
Nah, nah. What are you gonna do then? You're gonna all that peddling though after breakfast. It was a really good breakfast, by the way, guys. I didn't want to share it because it was all mine, but it was really good. It was like a buffet, or you can ask things to order. Breakfast 5-star.
Mickey Mouse pancakes.
Mickey Mouse pancakes as well was really good. The girls really enjoyed that. Guys, so you know the sunglasses I got in the Bahamas? Literally, they just snapped off like that easily. Great $10 pairs. I miss my Ray-Ban so much. Oh, look at this. This is crazy. So this is sunglasses number 2. Look, and they even bent here as well. What is going on with my sunglasses? I'm not having much luck. Sunglasses number 2. They're pretty bad ones, yeah. We're gonna have to work on this, guys. I'm really sad now. Let's go paddleboard. I won't be able to see. Oh look, just a harmless sign. What does it say? It says, please be aware of alligators. If you can see that, go closer to it. Hang on. Please be aware of the alligators. They swim. What could go wrong? Huh? What could go wrong? Yeah, if anyone wants to donate on the GoFundMe to the JB Dad Sunglasses Fund, feel free to do that. It's in the description. You know, that sort of thing. I can't see. I'm so photosensitive, it's ridiculous. I have to wear broken ones rather than none at all, you know? Can we have some fun? What can we do?
Yeah, so just so you know, right now it is a little too windy for anything on the dock to be taken out. So right now all we're doing is the boats that are on the beach. So we've got canoes, kayaks, and stand-up paddleboards for you guys to enjoy. We can either do 2 and 2, we can do a canoe with all 4 of you.
Cool.
Whatever you guys please.
What is that all about?
That one is just for us to rescue you.
See, the fun ones for rescuing. Fair enough. I have a go at paddleboarding.
Paddleboarding?
It's easy, right?
It's pretty, I mean, these are going to be a lot easier. It's a little windy, so it might be a little trickier. But you can do it.
I'm a professional.
There you go.
Let's do it.
JB Dad's first time on a paddleboard.
There we go. Yeah, yep. So then you've got this as your paddle. Okay. And then whenever you're ready, I'll give you a little push off. I'm gonna back up just a little so you can feel it's like off the sand.
Let me look cool.
How do you feel?
Make you look cooler.
I think you're doing great right now.
Okay.
You feel good?
No.
No? Come on.
Okay, I'm ready. Go.
You look good, so that's all that matters.
Oh.
All right. You got this.
Yeah, now what?
I'm gonna turn you around a little bit.
Why?
You got a paddle. Balance. Balance.
The wind's gonna take you, so you better start paddling.
Which way?
Whichever way you want.
Bye! Look it back.
You paddle back. You've got this. You've got it. Paddle backwards. Yep, it'll turn you around.
I'm a professional.
You are. You haven't fallen in yet, so that is quite an accomplishment.
I believe that.
You look really cool with your wonky sunglasses.
Okay, so I'm still done now.
You're done? You gotta make your way back here until you're done.
Yeah.
I'll trust the girls. So we recorded, right? You got that? So here we are. You're doing it, you're doing it. Don't drop the paddle though, no matter what, okay? Have the paddle facing the other way though, you know, like flat bit, like this, look. So it's scooping the water. We're not gonna crash. I'm gonna help you out now, you ready? Here we go. Daddy with his broken sunglasses, headed off for land. We've got this.
This is really fun. So we're gonna go around here and go back. This is a fun little lake.
Hey! Hey! Daddy's doing it, look. Pro Daddy.
Hyatt on the lake. Can you see? Ellie, Daddy, say hi. And you are going super crazy. You are going mad crazy with this thing. No, there's no alligators in here. Go faster. Go faster. Back to the island, and loads of people are doing the same. Oh goodness, so creepy. And then there's other people doing it too. And now we're just going to soak. Why am I getting soaking from this hole? Yeah. You ready?
We're ready.
I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Ellie and Daddy are ready. I'm ready. Yeah. And other people are doing it too. Oh my gosh, you're gonna crash! I'm probably soaking wet now. I love you, world! Oh. You need a life jacket on because you might fall in. Yeah. Grown up needs to be safe too. And I want to keep Mama safe. Oh, that's nice. We nearly tipped over. Goodness gracious. Mummy. I would like to call you JB Mum.
Hey?
I would like to call you JB Mum.
Call me JB Mom.
Yes.
I am JB Mom.
I know you are. Where are you from? JellyBeanTV. Are you ready for my funny laugh?
Yeah, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
Here! Okay guys, so we have checked out. This is awesome. Well, not awesome, because we wanted to stay. It's so good here. But it was really nice and host us in the end. Thank you very much, Hyatt. We really appreciate it. But we gotta go sometimes. Like the Littles hobo guys, you know. Oh, it's gone all blue, it's weird. It's the lighting. It's like, there's a voice, keeps on calling me down the road. That's our theme song now. Oh yes, guys. So my sunglasses broke, as you know. They were selling, oh hang on, they were selling sunglasses here, guys. But I had to get the $50 one, so one's in the middle. So these are my new shades. It's like the many faces of JB Dad Shades. That's we could do a whole series. So there we go, guys. That's the best I could do. Didn't really want to spend 50 bucks, but the $10 ones were snapped. I miss my other ones, but these are pretty cool. I like the lens, guys. So these are a new brand that I'm actually going to speak to. Check them out. I have to have a word with them and say, hey, can you send me some pairs just in case I go crazy and lose them again. So let's go and do some other stuff. JB Mum, you want to have some more fun?
Yeah.
JB Mum, want to have more fun? I think they got some cycling stuff we can do here. Let's go see what we can see. Okay, we're just outside waiting for our vehicle now. JB Mum.
Hi.
Hi. What are we doing at the moment?
Waiting for a car.
I know, valet parking is very handy, guys. They're going to get the vehicle for you. We are going to be heading down now to see Hannah May, right? That's our car, yeah. Oh, how do they know? It's a brand new look. Look at that, look, that's our car. Not. It'd be nice if it was our car. No, we're heading down to see Hannah May because she lives on our way down to where we're going to go. So we're going to hang out with Hannah May from Musically, which is going to be cool. She's a family friend, so it's her family. They're super awesome people, and we love hanging out with them, and we're super excited to see them. We are, that's it really, that's all I'm gonna say. So guys, we're gonna do that, and then the next thing is we'll be with Hannah May. Hey guys, as I said and I promised earlier that we would be coming to see someone very special this evening. We've come to Chili's. Remember, I can't even see it, hang on. No, you still can't see it, doesn't really matter. I wanted to come to Chili's because I've never been here, and I got to come here because as you know, we're leaving America very soon, but guess who I've come to see? Look. Who is it? Who is it? Who are you? This is Helga.
Hello.
Hello. You want fries? This is Hannah, guys. Say hey.
We have to do our drive-through accents.
Yeah, because they don't. We were talking about it inside. They don't understand my accent when I go through drive-through. I'm like, hello, can I have a burger and fries, please? And they're like, I'm sorry, I'm not getting it. Burger and fries. And they're like, oh, I understand that totally. Thank you very much. So yeah, guys, we had a nice dinner here. It took how long to get food here, though?
Like an hour.
Yeah, it took a little while here to get some food here. So, but you were here now, and look at the girl's hair, guys. Look, show them your hair. Ah, look, Hannah did their hair. Your hair fell out. Let me see. No, look, really cute. Why is it falling out? Maybe Hannah will fix it for you if you're lucky. Yeah. Maybe Hannah do it again for the 50th time. So, guys, yeah, we're just hanging out. I think we're gonna make some Musicallys for fun. We're making Musically the comeback, the JellyBeanTV comeback, and then we're gonna go after that because it's getting late. But yes, bye. So for the purposes of continuity, guys, sorry about that. I realised that new top because it's the next day, but we had to fit this in because it didn't finish last night after we left. Hannah headed back. We actually tried to find a hotel because our relatives, it was really late. We didn't want to disturb them like 1 o'clock in the morning, but everywhere was fully booked hotel-wise. So when we came in, I didn't want to make a load of noise doing this because it might have ruffled him up a little bit more than I already did. I scared him when I came in last night at 1 o'clock in the morning. But guys, thanks very much for watching. We had an awesome day yesterday, technically, but it's not really, you know, continuity. And we've got so many more cool things to come, guys. We're leaving the country in the next couple of days as well, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and all that jazz, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.